Hello friend, in this video we will understand the importance of good drawing, and if we deliver the wrong drawing, how it will impact us and the organization. Also we will understand why drawing is not just a document, it's a backbone of your entire organization. Now let's imagine you have created the drawing and delivered to the customer. So these drawings generally referred by the senior engineer, manager or the cross-functional team, like the surrounding team or the surrounding assembly, someone is working on it. So those also refer these drawings, and generally some drawings are used for reference purpose. So if you have did a mistakes in this drawing, so the same mistake will be carry forwarded in the future. So in manufacturing purpose also the drawing will be referred, for quality inspection purpose also this drawing will refer, and for purchasing team this refer the drawing for costing purpose to finalize the cost, and then supplier or vendor also refer these drawings, and finally customers also refer these drawings. So every person read it in a different way based on their work. So our drawing should have all the content, all the information should be available as per the requirement. Suppose we have delivered the wrong drawing to the customer, so this wrong drawing may impact in terms of manufacturing, in terms of inspection, and in terms of the supplier confusion, or may part may failure. So wrong dimension it leads to the wrong part manufacturing. Missing tolerance it leads to the rejection in the inspection. And unclear notes, suppose notes are not clearly defined, so in these the supplier may confuse, and wrong material it means product failure. So it will results in the capability issue, so it will highlight the capability issue of those who have created the drawings. Also it shows the team failure, that they have not reviewed properly these drawings and they have not checked correctly, and it will loss of the trust. So it may be loss of the trust considered, and in future they will not provide us the task because we are continuously we are delivering the wrong drawings. Okay, so repeated mistakes we need to avoid it. So with the proper discussions and with the proper understanding of the requirements, we can include the all details in the drawings. So it will be cost in terms of customer complaint and future business loss. So while creating the drawing, think like this: worker on the shop floor does not know your design intent, so we need to add the design intent or the requirements in the drawing, and the supplier will not call you every time, so all the details and the with the clear understandings we need to add in the drawing. And customer expect zero mistakes, so your drawing should speak for itself. If someone understand your drawing without asking question, that's a perfect drawing. So good drawings having the clear dimension, proper tolerances are there, material specification is there, surface finish details are added, geometric dimensioning tolerance are added if required, notes and instruction are properly given, and revision control is there, and correct units are there, scale is properly added, and proper views and sections are added. So we need to cover all these points and other required points in the drawing. So design for manufacturing and design for inspection also we need to check, because design is only successful if it can be easily manufactured and easily inspected. So good drawing leads to smooth production, less rejection, faster delivery, and better team coordination, and we'll get the happy customer and business growth. So in short, a good drawing it means good business. So friend, I hope you understand the impact of the drawing. So while creating the drawings, try to capture all the informations and add the all required details in the drawing. and avoids the repetitive mistakes. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.